Oh my god, look at this Chapli kebab.
It's Chapli, an Afghan dish or Pakistani dish. Right guys, today we're gonna go have some Chapli kebab. I'm tired of chicken and rice.
Off we go. Now this place was a mission to find, guys. Literally it was in the middle of nowhere, but look at this small little shop. Found it. I'm going to be honest with you, lucky there was pictures because I did not understand one bit.
This place I saw on TikTok. Basically, it's a proper local munch. Like apparently, it's banging.
Goddamn! Look how it's glistening, guys. Yes, it looks a bit dark, but trust me, inside was absolutely banging.
First bite, Chapli. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Hot. Very hot. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a bit too hot. It's so banging. Outside it looks all brown now, but inside it's so soft and moist and juicy.
For those of you who don't know what a chapli kebab is, essentially it's a fried kebab. Inside, it is absolutely juicy.
It may not look presentable, but I promise you, whenever you go abroad, the places that do it all fancy, they're terrible. The places who literally just chuck it, and where the locals are and it's busy, those are the best places to eat. I'm telling you right now. It's easily one of the best chaplis I've ever had in my life.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna get diarrhea here, but this place was a good spot. It was a good find. Give it a try when you're in Saudi. Also, I was hungry today, so I allowed the violations of how I eat.
Is Chapli an Afghan dish or a Pakistani dish? Embrace the culture. What do I mean by that? Whenever you go to another country, just do what the locals do. I eat with my hands anyway, but eating in your hands, I've been eating with my hands since day one. Some of you out there that even eat pizzas with knife and fork, that make sense.
Yep, food coma reach.
Tasty though.